Hello friends, welcome to MechSearch. Now we are going to see the job notification which was released by Central Pollution Control Board. They are looking for the candidates to the post of Scientist B, Junior Scientist Assistant, Senior Technician, Data Entry Operator Grade 2, Junior Technician, Junior Laboratory Assistant, Lower Division Clerk and Attendant. For Scientist B post, the maximum age limit, upper age limit is 35 years and the available vacancies are 13. Junior Scientist Assistant having 2 vacancies, the maximum age limit is 30 years. Senior Technician post having 6 vacancies and the maximum age limit is 30 years. Data Entry Operator Grade 2 having 2 vacancies, the age limit is 18 to 25 years. Junior Technician having 2 vacancies, age limit is 18 to 25. Junior Laboratory Assistant having 7 vacancies, age limit is 18 to 25. Lower Division Clerk also having the same age limit and the vacancies are 13. Attendant having also same age limit and the available vacancies are 3. Let's see the important dates. Date of commencements for online registration and application printing. The application starts from May 5th, 2020. Last date for applying online May 25th, 2020. Scientist B, the salary is 56,100 to rupees 1,77,500. Required educational qualification is bachelor's degree in engineering or technology in the stream of civil, chemical, environmental 10 posts, mechanical 1 post and mining 1 post. Junior Scientific Assistant, their pay matrix is rupees 35,400 to 1,12,400. Required educational qualification is a degree in science with 4 years of experience in the line, preferably in pollution control or related subject. Senior Technician, their pay matrix is rupees 35,400 to 1,12,400. Qualification is diploma in instrumentation, diploma in electronic, diploma in mechanic and 1 year experience in relevant field. Data Entry Operator Grade 2, their pay matrix is rupees 25,500 to rupees 81,100. Educational qualification required is 12th standard pass. Junior Technician, their pay matrix is also same as Data Entry Operator. Educational qualification is 10th class pass from recognized board or institution. 3 years experience in servicing laboratory machines in an organization or institution. Certificate from ITI in mechanical trade. Junior Laboratory Assistant, Their pay matrix will be rupees 19,900 to 63,200. Education qualification 12th class pass, lower division clerk. Pay matrix is 19,900 to 63,200. Educational qualification is any degree. Attendant, their pay matrix is 18,000 to 56,900. Educational qualifications 8th standard pass. These are the general instructions. Candidates should apply their application form in online mode only. Go to their official website and fill the application form and submit it. After submitting the application form, you have to save this file in PDF and take printout. In description, I provided the link to download this notification. Click the link and download this notification and read clearly. That's it. Their official website is www.cpcb.nic.in. In description, I also provided this link also. Just click the link, it will go to that page.